This breakfast pull-apart bread is so addictive. It's stuffed with eggs, bacon, and plenty of melty cheese. First, you're going to cook up some bacon. You're going to add milk and seasoning to some eggs. Whisk them up and then scramble them until they are just cooked. Then cut up biscuits into quarters. I like the flaky variety for this breakfast dish. Prep the biscuits with melted butter, salt, pepper, and my favorite, everything but the bagel seasoning. Then mix it up and start adding the layers to a greased bundt pan. You can also use really any kind of baking pan for this. Be generous with the cheese. Keep adding layers, biscuits on top, and then finish off with even more cheese. Then bake until cooked through and serve with butter or hollandaise sauce. Piping hot coffee.